Okay, YouTube audience, we have got here the comical frog buggy with the ESC from the kit, the TBLE02S, and I've got a TBLM02S motor, a 50.5 turn, 15.5 turns, and it makes funny noises. I'll show you. Is this normal? I've got the right pinion gear in. It makes this funny noises. I put it on and okay. On higher RPM it sounds good. It really sounds strange on slow RPMs. Is that feature from the brushless motor or is it a damage? I like your comments to hear. Okay, let's go and have it for a ride. Okay, one last time. Is that normal? Yes or no? Please give me a comment. Thank you.